think it's every girl that now to this whole. So it's perpetual. Like, okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Perpetual Informer. So today I got a package. I got hair extension from 658 on Instagram. So I want to unbox it here with you guys. I don't know why. I'm just too excited about this package because this hair extension now, I've not had it before. I don't know how it looks like. I'm too excited. So this is what I ordered. I saw this picture and I fell in love with this hair. So I just hope that's what is going to be inside here. So I want to unbox this as in. Let me open this with you guys. So I got it. I saw the picture and I liked it. I don't know. I like extra stuff. Something that's extra. So the hair is actually white or blonde. I don't know the color I choose, but I just know the so these are it comes like this. So the brand is 658. So I got the hair from there. So let's open it. Yes. Like, okay, so like it came with the coil. I don't know what this is called. Maybe it's to hold the coils together. So that I feel like, because it's like if it doesn't come with this, it is going to, the coils are going to like come off. So to hold the coils in, they had to like leave this in together with it. Like, wow, it's looking kind of strange. I don't know how to like dismantle this whole thing to make it look like how it is in the picture, but okay. I've not done this before. Like, this is my first time installing my hair by myself, so I might fuck up, but yeah, you guys should just watch. I don't know what to do here. Like, I'm lost. I've never installed my hair by myself before, so wish me luck. So I'm going to remove this. So like, I can't keep this hair if after removing all this whole thing. What if I can style it later when I need it? Like, the fuck? I'm kind of thinking of leaving it this way because this is going to be a lot of work, too much of work. I think it's every girl that now to this whole one is off. The styling, it's making a lot of sense. Yeah. I don't know why I liked this hair. It's looking kind of extra, kind of different. Like, so I felt like let me just try something different. And it's like I'm talking so much though. I'm going to spoil this stuff. Like, I've not done this before. This one is not like installing frontal, because I know I can't install any hair. So this one is already done. Yeah, that's enough of the talking. Oh, we are done. Like, should I comb it? Should I comb it? Am I supposed to comb it? I'm scared. I don't want the coils to get loose. Like, am I supposed to comb this? Oh my god. Like, oh god, oh goodness. I love this. Sorry for the background noise. I don't know. The gen is on, but then there's light. So I don't know why. I don't know why I got this hair, but it's giving. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay. I should have gotten my makeup done first, but yeah. I don't know. Is this what it's supposed to look like? Well, I don't know what do you guys think, because I love it. I like it. I love it. Yeah, it's giving me the extra drag kind of hair. So yeah. So you guys, this is how the hair looks like. It's giving. It's giving me the 1960s vibe. So yeah, you guys, the hair, it's good. It's cool. I'll show you guys pictures later, but right now, I feel like I'm in a music video. So yeah guys, so this hair, it's from 658 on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.